I'm saying?
No doubt.
Show you what I've been through, you know? Tell you what I seen, things I went through, you know? For real. Love is love, yo, it hit me like a 38 slug. When you least suspect it, you can catch it right in your mug. Just like a drug, you become addicted. You're guilty as convicted. It's optimistic when the ends are just another statistic. Sometimes you can't fix it, although it seems prolific. To all your hopes and dreams, torn apart from the seams. And so it seems like your foolish schemes turn you fiend. Y'all was the coolest team, you was the king, she was your queen. Until the ace came replaced, it's written on your face. It's just another case, now she's lost without a trace. Reporter MIA, even though you heard her say those 3 words that submerged in your heart today. Taking your life away is murder that she wrote, that got you standing on a chair with a rope around your throat. She was your lawful wedded wife till she turned tripe. These words cut just like a knife, now you're scarred for life. You should've thought twice, but you chose your heart first. You got your feelings hurt by shorties out doing dirt. She played you like a jerk, now you can't get it right. You're mentally deranged, but yo, things change.
Shorty don't care, she a snake too. Shorty don't care, she a snake too. Shorty don't care, she a snake too. Shorty don't care, she a snake too.
Hey yo, she told me she loved me, and then she left me. She used to stress me, even had the cops arrest me. You don't impress me, I gave you ice like Gretzky. Let's see, how generous will the next man be? Back rubs and bathtubs, sipping bottles above. I showed you love and caught back burns on Persian rugs. I stopped hanging at the club all night, getting nice, sipping Henny with ice. But yo, my soul advice, get your mind right, cause dark deeds turn the light, and one day that same dog will return to bite. Whether it's wrong or right, discover what you lost. Get off your high horse, cherish the thoughts. But of course, reality struck, and Cadillac trucks with big bucks rolling up, hollering while you was strutting your stuff. I was out 9 to 5 in it, trying to survive in this game, trying to maintain while you was straight conniving it. Numbers in your pocketbooks, planning dates. You claim you working late, way after 8. You couldn't wait till the weekend. Claim you going shopping with your friends, spending my ends while jumping in and out of some nigga Benz. That's it.
Shorty don't care, she a snake too. Shorty don't care, she a snake too. Shorty don't care, she a snake too. Shorty don't care, she a snake too.
It takes a fool to learn, but yo, I wasn't concerned about my life and all that tripe shit. Watch my world turn like a whirlwind, adrenaline rush. The good times and the bad times we shared, just remembering us. In high school, everything was cool. We used to cut class with no cash and no bus pass and no gas in the hoopty. My peeps had to come scoop me. I still copped your Gucci like a black suit Jalucci, running loose with them foul hoochies. You call your girls, they used to Earl, hating on me, said I ruined your world. Say you can do better with kids with more cheddar, more whips and butter levers. I was like whatever, just like a feather side stormy weather. You left me blowing in the breeze, smoking trees to keep my mind at ease. But yo, I'm focused now, got my mind right, my game's tight. I'm in the studio every night, blazing the mic because I've been through it. Express stress through my music, it's nothing to it. I still flow like fluid. I love music, so I work extra hard. Besides my fam, it's the only thing second to God. Nothing comes equal. I rep this for my people. It's lethal. Don't let your shorty mislead you. She's evil.
Shorty don't care, she a snake too. 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 Snake too.